In this video, I'll discuss two hidden gems in the Home tab. I'm talking about the add-ins and analyze data features. You'll find these two icons on the right side of the Home tab ribbon. First up, let's talk about add-ins. Click on the icon. You can find lots of popular add-ins here. Click on More Add-ins. This will take you to the store for add-ins. Here, you can search for add-ins. Let's try one. Type Date Picker and hit Search. Choose the mini calendar and date picker and click on Add. Continue. Here, you will find the wizard for this add-in. Now you can pick dates and add them to your spreadsheet. Let's insert the joining date of each employee. Just click on a cell to activate it and pick a date. The date will be inserted in that cell immediately. Also, you can insert the current time using this icon. To remove this add-in, just click on this arrow and select Delete. Look, the add-in is not visible in the spreadsheet anymore. If you want to use it again, click on this add-ins icon and you will find your add-ins here. No need to search for it again. Now head over to the Analyze Data feature. With Analyze Data in Excel, you can easily ask questions about your information without using tricky formulas. Click on any cell inside the data and click on the Analyze Data icon. Here you can ask your question. Excel will bring up some suggested questions based on the data. You will get insights into your data. Plus, it gives you helpful pictures and summaries to understand trends and patterns. Let's try it out. I'm writing a question: which salesperson made the maximum profit? Enter. And this is the answer. If you calculate it manually, you will get the same. So, now you can do a lot without the need for complicated formulas. Time for a quick pop quiz. In which year did the sales reach their peak? Use the Analyze Data feature to find it. Which prompt did you use to get the answer? Write it in the comments below. And this concludes our exploration of Excel's Home tab. Stay tuned for the next video.